origin. From origin, let us draw the two lines. This is the first line and this is the second line. So we have drawn the two lines and both the lines are passing through the origin, and slope of first line is m1 and slope of line is m2. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to find slope of the first line, slope of the second line, addition of the slope, subtraction of the slopes, and the product of the slopes. Since both the lines are passing through origin, then their equation, standard equation of both the lines together is given by ax square 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. This is called joint equation, also called as a combined equation of pair of lines. So this equation can be called as a joint equation of pair of lines, also called combined equation of pair of lines. Also, it is important to note down that both the lines passing through origin, then only you can have this equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. If they are not passing through the origin, then this equation is not valid. We need to write some other equation. What is there? Some other equation. For example, it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Now I have drawn the two pair of lines. They are not passing through the origin. In that case, this equation is not valid. Another equation. What is the another equation? ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So the equation of pair of lines not passing through the origin is different, and pair of equation of line passing through the origin is a different. But in today's video, I'm just focusing myself talking about equation of pair of lines passing through origin. Now there are the two lines, first line passing through the origin as well as second line passing through the origin. m1 is the slope of the first line and m2 is the slope of second line. Now how to get the slope of the first line and slope of the second line? The slope of the first line is obtained by idea. Here you write down under root of h square minus ab, here as well as for m2 h square minus ab, then divided by, then divided by. After that, for m1 you write down minus here, and for m2 you write down plus here. For m1 you write down minus h here and minus h here, and in both cases divided by b. So this is the formula to find out the slope of the first line and slope of the second line. Now m1 plus m2, this is nothing but called sum of slope, because you are adding m1 as well as m2, and m1 into m2, that is multiplication of slope, also called as product of slope. So m1 plus m2 sum of the slope and m1 m2 equals to product of the slopes. Formula for sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is given by minus 2h divided by b, and product is given by a upon b. So sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 equals to minus 2h upon b, and product of the slopes m1 into m2 equals to a upon b. For example, 5x square minus 8xy plus 2y square equals to 0. These are the pair of lines passing through origin. and A equals to 5 and 2H equals to minus 8. Therefore, H equals to minus 4 and B value equals to 2. Now, how to find out M1? So, M1 equals to minus H minus under root of H square minus AB divided by B. So, H value is minus 4. So, putting minus 4 here, then minus under root of minus 4 whole square minus AB 5 into 2 divided by B, that is 2. And to find out M2, again the same idea. Here is a minus 4, but here the plus will come, plus under root of same 2, same as, so minus 4 whole square 5 into 2 divided by 2. And sum of the slope m1 plus m2 equals to minus 2h upon b, and here the minus 2h equals to minus 8 divided by b, that is 2. And product of the slopes m1 into m2 equals to a upon b, that is 5 divided by 2. Now m1 equals to 4 minus under root of 16 minus 10 divided by 2, and m2 equals to 4 plus under root of 16 minus 10 divided by 2, that is equals to 4 minus root 6 divided by 2, 4 plus root 6 divided by 2. So value of m1 equals to 4 minus root 6 upon 2, and value of m2 equals to 4 plus root 6 upon 2. Now sum of the slope m1 plus m2 equals to 8 upon 2 equals to 4, and product of the slope, that is equals to 5 by 2. So this way we can find out m1, m2, sum of the slope and product of the slope. I would like to test your understanding. So I am giving you here one question as a homework. The question is, find sum of slopes and product of slopes for equation of pair of lines given by 2x square plus 6xy plus y square equals to 0. I hope you will find the solution and write down the answer in the comment box. Do you find the information provided in this video are helpful to you? If not, please let me know through the comment box. Meet you again with next topic, next video. Till then, wish you good luck. All the best.